So friends, today in this video I'll show how to make a cinematic black bar opening effect on Android using the KineMaster app. So to know that, let's get started. Now open the KineMaster app, and if you don't have this app, then I put the download link below on the description. Now click on the plus icon, empty project, media browser. Now select any video. Now go to the layer, handwriting. Now click here. Now select the second option, square. Now select the color, select the black color. Now draw a line on the screen. Now click on the 3 line. Now expand the line. Now click on the key icon. Now drag it to the 4 second. Now click on the plus icon. Now reduce the size of the line. Now drag the timeline to the end. Now click on the plus icon. Now again go to layer, then handwriting, then draw a line on the screen, then click on the 3 lines. Now expand the line and make sure that the screen is fully covered. Now click on the key icon and drag the timeline to the 4 second. Now click on the plus icon. Now reduce the size of the line. Now drag it to the end of the video. Now again click on the plus icon. Now done. Now let's play the video. So friends, now if you then select the video. Now click on the share, save video to gallery, then now select the quality of the video. So friends, if you like my video, then hit like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.